How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 69 GMC. It's a Canadian built GMC long box. Super cool truck, really clean. Had a complete frame off restoration about 10 years ago. The underside of the truck is just as nice as the top. Very, very nice truck. Done a Tuxedo Black. You can see the grille is all brand new. Front bumper looks like to be the original and it's in excellent condition. Truck's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got all the side moldings. Just a good looking truck. Got a set of 18-inch wheels on it. Just a cool truck. It's got the smooth rear bumper, blazer, suburban style bumper. Just a good look. You see how straight it is down the sides. We do have a couple new side markers ordered. A couple of the chrome little bezel pieces have come off. It's got the nice sport type mirror on it. Now they replaced the motor. It's got a crate 383 aluminum head. It's got the Vortec aluminum head. Edelbrock intake and carb. It's got your power steering, your power brakes. Heavy duty cooling system. Tell you, it's just a really nice truck. I'll tell you, for black, it's straight down the sides. It's got the deluxe door panels in it. It's got the factory gauge package with the tach and all your gauges. We did the seat in a gray and black two-tone. Jams all look good. They did a rhino line in the bed. The dash is all stock. Dash pad's in real good shape. All new carpet in it. Again, it's a 383 aluminum headed. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans in it. It's got a posi rear with 373 gear. So you run the thing down the road at like 65 mile an hour. It's like 1800. Got duals with Flowmasters. Backup lights and everything work on it. Just to tell you, super nice truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Good looking truck. Have a great day, folks.